Welcome to Ask Willy. He's our Excellente advice columnist. Have a question? He'll give you an answer.
Willy, your first question is from a male subscriber. He asked, do you know a crack site that has no viruses?
Nope. Don't try to get me involved with any illegal I wish you luck, because even Nimrods need luck.
Your second question is from a female subscriber. She asked, do you like being bit on the neck and back during intimate moments?
I thought I would, but I was bit like that once and it completely deflated me. I had to be patched and pumped back up. Needless to say, that relationship was over. I learned, I would rather be moisturized with an oily mitt, than to be pumped back up because I was bit.
And your final question is from another male subscriber. He writes, I love playing with firecrackers, do you?
Man, are you an idiot for even asking that question? Why would I want to take a chance on having my hands blown off? How would I give folks the middle finger without hands? You really need to rethink your crazy hobbies.
So folks, that's it for today. Don't forget to send us your questions for Ask Willy. Give our video a thumbs up. Don't play with firecrackers. Subscribe and enjoy your day.
I'm gonna sue my lawyer. Why? Gonna find out if you can sue a show for breach of tape.
The Honeymooners was recorded live in front of an imaginary studio audience.